Despite being equipped with advanced fighter jets such as the F-35A, F-16C D Block 52, and Fa-50, the Polish Air Force is reportedly interested in acquiring the A-29 Super Tucano aircraft from Brazil to counter drones. As Embraer recently reported, a Polish delegation led by the Deputy Commander of the Polish Air Force, Ireneusz Nowak, has visited the company. The delegation reviewed the production process and conducted familiarization flights with the KC-390 Millennium transport aircraft and the A-29 Super Tucano light attack aircraft. Previously, the Polish Air Force had deployed its F-35A stealth jet to shoot down a Russian Gerberat decoy drone that entered Polish airspace on the evening of September 10, 2025. The use of advanced fighter jets to combat drones is considered excessive, because the operational costs and weapons used are quite expensive, far in comparison to the low-cost drones they hunt. It is known that Embraer itself is currently providing additional capabilities to the A-29 Super Tucano aircraft it designed to be able to carry out anti-drone missions. The move offers a short-term, low-cost way for current and future operators to improve their drone countermeasure capabilities. Embraer is not introducing a new variant of the aircraft, but rather providing additional roles by integrating available quality equipment, such as the EO/IR turret. As a weapon against drones, the A-29 Super Tucano is armed with 12.7mm caliber machine guns in its wings and can carry tubes for 70mm laser-guided rockets such as the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System, APKWS. These two weapons can be relied upon to disable even small drones, as well as kamikaze drone swarms. The aircraft is also equipped with an EO/IR turret that is compatible with night vision goggles, NGV. The A-29 Super Tucano is powered by a single Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6S68C engine producing 1,600 horsepower. It can reach a top speed of 590 km per hour and has an endurance of 8 hours and 24 minutes. In addition to interest in Brazil's A-29 Super Tucano, Poland is also considering arming the domestically built PZL-104 Draco, a new turboprop-powered version of the Wilga, which is scheduled for completion in 2028.